If you want to activate the watch-only mode on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you need to do is you want to swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and you want to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and we need to find Battery. Over here in Battery Settings, we should be able to scroll down again, and eventually you can find watch-only option in here, so you can tap on that. Then we have the information about the estimated battery life, which might actually take some time to figure out based on collected information about usage pattern. Then over here we also have the information that we can press the home key to show the time, and you can press and hold or charge our watch to turn off watch only, so we can tap on the turn on, and there we go. This is how we can activate the watch only mode, and that is pretty much it. There we go. So now we should be able to press the home key to show the watch. Now the home button is of course this one over here above the microphone, and you should be able to press it in order to display it. There we go. So I might need to actually press and hold it for a slightly longer time to show it up. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why it is like that. Maybe there's like a slight delay or something. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.